A fusion of classic Indian tikka flavors with Maggi noodles. Let's get into the recipe. Marinate the paneer cubes with Indian spices like turmeric, chili powder and tikka masala and let it marinate for few hours. Boil Maggi in a small pot on the stove. Add the taste maker and let it fully cook. Our Maggi is ready. Our innovation starts from now. Grease a muffin tray with oil or butter, placing noodle nests inside each muffin cup with a spoon. Arrange them into cup shapes. Stuff each noodle cup with spicy marinated paneer and chopped veggies. Sprinkle shredded cheese on top of the filled noodle cups and slide the tray into the oven. Bake at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are crispy, the filling is cooked and the cheese is melted and golden. Carefully remove the tikka cups from the tray, garnish with chopped coriander leaves and mint chutney and serve them hot. You can also enjoy the fusion explosion with a cup of tea. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe for more such innovative recipes. Thanks for watching.